ManageEngine Endpoint Central tutorial. First, access Endpoint Central console. Open up your web browser, enter the Endpoint Central server URL or IP address, then log in using your admin credentials. Add computers to manage, navigate to admin discovery, choose the discovery method, run the discovery to find devices on your network, then select the computers you want to add, then click Add to Central Point Central. Then create a software deployment package. Go to software deployment, then packages, click add package, upload the software installer and define installation commands and parameters if needed. Then save the package, then deploy software to target computers. Go to software deployment, then click new deployment. Select the software package you created, choose the target computers or groups, schedule deployment or run immediately. Then click deploy, then patch management setup, navigate to patch management, configure patch scan settings, enable automatic patch approval or manual approval based on your policy, monitor patch deployment status on the dashboard, then manage endpoint security. Go to endpoint security, profiles, and create security profiles for antivirus, firewall, device control, etc. Then assign profiles to devices or groups, monitor security status and alerts. If this video helped you, subscribe, but for now, goodbye.